Hey everybody, it's Kareem. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a crochet review today on the Beshe Ocean Wave. My 10-second review, my 10-second thoughts about it. Actually 5. Meh. In my 5 latch hook braiding system where 1 is the worst and 5 is the absolute best, Beshe Ocean Wave actually started off as a 2 latch hooks, okay? I just recently upgraded it to 3 latch hooks, okay? Once again, kind of right there in the middle. If you really want to hear me go into the other categories, just stay tuned. So here's the hair. This is the 1B30. I got 2 packs of 1B and 1 pack of 1B30. It's a very soft texture. It is the natural yaki texture, which is great. It's something I look for when I'm doing crochet hair. So the texture's fine. It's soft. It feels natural. It wears very natural, which is moving into the wearability. It's very lightweight. For the length, I thought it was going to be heavier. You know, it looked heavy in the packet, actually. And so I was like really nervous that this was going to be a heavy hair. Now, just a note to all of us who are wearing crochet styles, we have to remember that other than recently, a lot of this hair that we've been wearing is for braiding. That's why it's called braiding hair or jumbo braid and all that stuff like that. It's for people who get braids, individual braids, and now faux locks and all the different braiding styles you can get. So ideally, you know, you have the hair that's best for the type of braid a person's getting. I think this hair is very much a braiding hair. I mean, I kind of had that feeling when I saw the packet and, you know, saw the picture, what have you. But yeah, I think this is, in my opinion, much more a braiding hair than a crochet style. With that, the versatility is pretty much endless. You can wear it in any braided style that you or your talented braider can think of. If you're a braider out there and you used it, I would love to know what you think about the hair as, you know, using it for braids, any kind of braided style, individuals or what have you. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this might be the quickest crochet review. You know, when I like a hair, I tell you what I like about it. And if I'm like, meh, which I am today, I tell you what's meh about it. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out what you've missed on the other videos and the crochet playlist and all the other things on the channel. And I will see you in the next video.